10 most famous Caribbean celebrities. Unknown to many, there are quite a number of actors with Caribbean roots who have made it onto Hollywood screens. Though very successful, they have never lost sight of their Caribbean identity. Here are 10 such actors you may not have known had Caribbean connections. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. I am Alex, and if it's your first time joining me, please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Kerry Washington. Popularly known for her lead role in the TV series Scandal as Olivia Pope, Kerry Washington was born to a Jamaican mother and American father. She also appeared in the movies Save the Last Dance, For Colored Girls, The Fantastic Four films, and Django Unchained.
To you. I don't. When did you decide to let them ruin you?
Excuse me?
So your life's unfair, so what? That's how it is. So they're mean girling you in the press, they're calling you names that hurt your little soft spots deep inside. Well, so what? That's how it is. So you lost someone you loved. You lost the one person who felt like...
Lorraine Cent. Trinidadian-American actress Lorraine Cent is popularly known for her roles in Orange is the New Black and the TV series Any Day Now, The Fosters, Law and Order, and films such as Selma. She is proud of her Trini roots and returned to Trinidad regularly.
Tell me you didn't just send me straight to voicemail for the 4th time in the last hour.
Mom, I was in the middle of my morning rounds.
I don't care if you're in the middle of World War III. Obviously, your mother needs to speak to you.
Uh-oh. What did you do now, bro?
Don't chime in. I left a message for you, too.
Good morning, Mrs. D.
Hello, my sweetheart. Now, don't distract me.
What did I do? He's the one who missed family dinner and church again.
Thank you. Just come.
Marianne JeanBaptiste. A famous actress, singer, songwriter, writer, director, and composer, Marianne JeanBaptiste was born to an Antiguan mother and a St. Lucian father. She made her mark in showbiz by securing an Oscar nomination for the Best Supporting Actress in Secrets and Lies in 1996. However, she may be best known for her roles in the US TV series Without a Trace and films such as RoboCop.
She's a very sort of powerful go-getter. She's worked her way up the ranks in the police department. She wields a lot of power and she enjoys doing that. But I think she's fair with her staff and she's very well respected.
Delroy Lindo. Born to Jamaican parents in England, Delroy Lindo is best known for his film roles in movies such as Malcolm X, Get Shorty, Ransom, The Cider House Rules, and Gone in 60 Seconds.
How you feel? Alright. Better be, because we got another big order come in.
Hey, what?
God created anything better than crack cocaine and kept that shit for himself.
Dual Ill. Born to Jamaican parents, Dual Ill is best known for his roles on US TV series West Wing and The Psych. His visits to Jamaica are frequent and his wedding took place in the tropical resort city of Montego Bay on the island's north coast.
I think we slowly start walking backwards so we never take our eyes off of whatever poltergeist is making that woman over there. And then when we get out of the demon's reach, we went straight back to the car.
We didn't want to come back so soon that we hadn't been missed, but we also didn't want to wait too long so that we had been forgotten. So while it had been discussed previously,
Michelle Rodriguez. Iconic action movie actress Michelle Rodriguez is famous for her tomboy roles in films from the action genre such as Fast and Furious and the Avatar movies, as well as the TV series Lost. With her mother, a native of the Dominican Republic, and a Puerto Rican father, Michelle Rodriguez spent her early childhood years in both Caribbean countries.
Thank God you showed up. These parties bore me to death.
Sharon Lee Ralph. Born in the United States to a Jamaican mother and an African American father, Sharon Lee Ralph spent parts of her childhood living in Mandeville, Jamaica. She is best known for her roles in the US TV series Moesha and It's a Living, as well as films such as Sister Act 2, The Flintstones, The Distinguished Gentleman, and White Man's Burden.
Excuse me, get those drinks. I can't believe that you're in there. You don't look Swedish. You're so different from your picture.
That wasn't me on the TV, but that sure was me on the telephone. You want me to prove it? See? You told me that you want me to tie you up and beat you with it.
Joseph Marcell. Joseph Marcell, born in St. Lucia, is more popularly known for his role in Fresh Prince of Bel-Air as Jeffrey the English Butler. He also appears in films like Cry Freedom and Hero.
A man is much more than the job he holds or the clothes he wears. For example, if I were to judge you by your costume, I should guess you were some kind of circus performer.
Garcelle Beauvais. This Asian American actress is famous for her roles in the films Coming to America, White House Down, and the TV series NYPD Blue and The Jamie Foxx Show. Garcelle Beauvais spent most of her early childhood days with her mother and siblings in Haiti.
Flesh comes with everything. So, very funny.
Romany Malco. American actor Romany Malco has his roots in Trinidad, where his parents were born. He is best known for his roles in the films Think Like a Man and also appears in Blades of Glory and The 40-Year-Old Virgin.
Wait, last thing. I'm also gonna need that extended warranty on it for the price of on the house.
That I can't do.
And don't be a Negro, be my nigga. Alright, help me out.
Whoa. I ain't nobody's nigga.
Well, I mean, you somebody's nigga wearing this nigga top.
Now you're being condescending. You've been warned, alright? Let's move forward amicably.
Okay, well, check this out though. First of all, you throwing too many big words in.
Hey, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know which of these celebrities are your favorite. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification icon so you always receive updates.